In a bid to improve departmental efficiency and public healthcare in Balochistan, the provincial government has approved series of reforms, but a key decision was made on Thursday to relocate the dairy farms out of Quetta city. To ensure effective implementation, a special committee was formed to review all aspects of the plan and submit a report within 1 week. The meeting has also approved departmental recruitments in the livestock and dairy department. The Chief Minister Balochistan Sarfaraz Ahmad Bukti has said that improvements in the livestock and dairy sectors would create new employment opportunities across the province. The initiative is expected to significantly enhance milk and meat production in the province that would strengthen the provincial economy and improve living standards.